Hey everyone, is your Google Play Store acting up on your Samsung phone? Crashing, freezing, and just refusing to cooperate when you need it most? Stick around because we're about to troubleshoot this together and get your Play Store working like new again. Let's jump in right into the video. Before starting, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store. Corrupted cache or data can significantly impact an app's performance. Clearing them essentially gives the app a fresh start without deleting the app itself. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notification. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. Solution 2. Update Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Settings, then About. Under Play Store version, tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, it will download and install the update in the background. Solution 3. Check for Android system updates. An outdated Android operating system can lead to compatibility issues with apps like the Play Store. Go to Settings, then Software Update or System Updates. Tap Download and Install, or check for System Updates. Install any available updates. Solution 4. Disable and enable the Play Store app. Press and hold onto the Play Store app. Tap Disable. Then again tap Disable. Next, open the settings, then go to Apps. Find the Google Play Store. Tap on it, then tap Enable from below. So no more Play Store headaches for your Samsung. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.